Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how 404 errors can also be fixed from your search console. In our previous videos we have understood how 404 can be fixed from the Screaming Frog or some of the SEO tools like SEMrush, but today we'll understand how this can be also fixed from the search console. But before that, let us once again understand what 404 actually means. So basically 404 or 4xx errors are those set of server responses which a user can receive if they are unable to find a page which is located on a website. For example, if you're looking for a particular page on a particular domain and if that page is not contained there, so that would return you a 404 error, which means not found. Now the thing is, why this is important to get rid of that. One of the essential reason is to preserve your crawl budget and to minimize the wastage of your index bloat. So obviously Google would not love that multiple users are getting 404 on your pages, so it's always a better idea to keep a good hold on the same. In our previous videos we have understood that we can use Screaming Frog to understand the 404 errors, and we can always delete those, redirect using 301 redirections to a proper landing pages. However, from Search Console, the easiest step is, as you can see on the screen, go to the coverages, find out if you have any 404 errors or not. You can also go into the crawl statistics and find out if there are any pages that is blocking your crawl, and then visit the pages. If you see that the pages are restructured, try reconstructing the pages and reindex them, or else you can just simply remove them from the removal section of the webmaster or the Search Console itself. So this is a very simple tip which often comes handy if you're doing any real-time work and if you want to really avoid all the hassle going through by the SEO tools and all. Thanks for watching.